When I have been milling my injection molds for hot glue injection molding, this spindle got really hot. It wasn't hot enough to melt this 3D printed mount, but it was really hot, and also someone in one of my last videos suggested that I should replace the fan of this spindle because it's not really effective and it's also very loud. So I thought, let's do this in this video. I want to design and then 3D print my own fan, or more like a propeller, and hopefully it will be better than this thing. But firstly I need to bring my 3D printer back here because I'm rearranging the workshop, so it's not right here right now. Let me also show you what's going on in the workshop. Here is my new laser cutter, and here is the special table that I made just for the laser cutter, and I also want to make tables like this for other tools. For example, this scroll saw, I want to have a special table so that it will be easier to use and also it will be always ready to work. I'm working on this right now. I will put it probably somewhere here. I also want to buy a small lathe and put it probably next to the scroll saw. I have plenty of space right now, so maybe a drill or something like this will also be right here. Here is also a disc sander. I welded this mount right here and screw it to the wall so that right now it's rock solid. I should also probably design some kind of enclosure and stand for this 3D printer to keep it all the time in the workshop, but also protect it from the dust. I have so many ideas for new projects and new things that I want to make, and so little time to make them all. That's really terrible. We'll start by taking off this thing. And then I will design a new propeller, impeller, fan, however it is called. I will probably keep the same diameter and change the shape of this thing completely so that it will be more similar to the one that I used in my 3D printed vacuum cleaner. So firstly we'll take this thing off and then we'll go to the computer to design a new one. I already like the new fan. It's a little bit more aggressive, definitely looks a lot better than the old fan. With this old fan it looked a little bit like a toy. I will put a link to this fan, probably to Thingiverse, in the description. So if you want, you can upgrade your own 500W spindle with this new fan. And now let's give it a test actually, because I didn't test this thing yet. This fan blows way more air than the old one, and that's great because this spindle was really hot after my last video of milling the injection molds. So now let's do again super unprofessional noise test. The camera is about 1 meter apart from the CNC machine. Let's just zoom in a little bit. Is it less noisy? I don't really think so. It's probably still as noisy as it was before, but it should cool spindle a little bit better with this more aggressive design, and that's always great. If you need any more info, if you want to 3D print your own fan for 500W Spindle, you can find all of the links in the description. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Sorry that this video is so short. I thought that I will have to redesign this thing a few times and find the best fan for this kind of spindle, but really the first design worked so great that there is no reason to redesign this thing. Thank you very much for watching, happy making.